Now the next example is find the integration of 2 cos x plus 3x raised to the power minus x minus sine 2x. Okay, so first of all we have to find the integration of this example. So these are the three functions which are adding to each other. We have to find the integration of all these functions separately. 2 is as it is, cos x. First of all we have to separate these integrations. 2 cos x dx, 3 e raised to the power minus x dx, and integration of sine 2x. When the functions are adding or subtracting to each other, then the integration can be separated. Okay, so 2 is constant, the integration of cos x is sine x. 3 is constant, integration of e raised to the power minus x is e raised to the power minus x, but the minus x has the derivative, that is minus 1, and we have to divide by its derivative, then this positive sign becomes this negative. Okay, next one is sine 2x has the integration, that is minus cos x. This minus cos x and this minus becomes plus cos 2x, and this 2x has the derivative, that is 2, and we divide it by its derivative, that is 1 over 2, and plus c is as it is, that is the generic constant of the integration, because we are dealing with the indefinite integrals. Okay, this is your example 2. Do you have any problem in this example 2? Do you have any
No.
issues? Okay, good. Next one is the exercise, that is exercise 1. Integrate with respect to x. In these all questions, the algebraic functions are given. We have to use just the power rule, and you have seen that what is power rule. Power rule is basically the simple add in power 1 and divide it by the whole power. Now in part H you can see that we are integrating with respect to x, but here is 2t. It means that this is a constant term, and a constant term has as it is outside the integration, and the integration of 1 dx is basically this d is cancelled out by this integration, so the x is as it is. It means that its 2x has the 2t has the derivative 2t x, because 2t is a constant term. Okay, in part 2 you can see that integration with respect to x, and now again we have to integrate. How? First of all we multiply this x square into these function. After that we have to divide first of all, then integrate. Here we have to open the square first, then find the integration. In this part D we have to divide separately 2x over x raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 3 over x raised to the power 1 over 2, then power goes on the numerator and it will becomes 1 minus 1 over 2. So first of all we have to simplify it into this simple expression, then we have to find the integral. In part E, again you can see that 1 over 4 x raised to the power minus 3 minus 3 x raised to the power minus 2. So this is the integration of these expression. And the next one is f x raised to the power 5 over 3 plus x raised to the power minus 7 over 3. So 5 over 3 has the integration, that is x raised to the power 5 over 3 plus 1 over 5 over 3 plus 1, right? So 5 over 3 plus 1 will becomes 5 plus 3, that is 8 over 3. Any problem?
No.
Okay, good. So in the part in the question number 3 we have the trigonometric functions, means sine, cos, and we have the exponential functions, and we have also learned that how can find the derivatives of the exponential function as well as the uh, trigonometric functions. Cos x has the derivative sin x, and sin x sorry, integration. Cos x has the integration sin x, and sin x has the integration minus cos x. Okay, so you have to memorize these formulas and do not uh, match with the derivative formulas, because these formulas can be mixed when you are not memorize these formulas. Okay, so in the part question number 4, integrate with respect to x. So first of all, we have to multiply this 2 into this bracket, then we have to integrate separately all these three functions like in previous examples. Again, in part B, we have to separate the integration. In part C, D, E, all in steps. In all these parts, we have to separate the integration of all functions, then find the integration, and all this exercise involves plus c also, because this is the indefinite integral. Indefinite integral means that we are dealing with the general questions, and definite integral means that in which we have the limits on the integration, like integration from 0 to 1, integration from -1 to 3. So when the limits of integration are given, it means that here we have the definite integral, and indefinite integral. In this definite integral, we don't use the value of c. Why? Because definite integral has a specific solution at a specific point, but indefinite solution has a general solution. Indefinite integral has a general solution, and plus c means that here is the constant term involves in the integration. And why we use this constant? Here is the simple method, that what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x. What is the derivative of x square plus 1? That is also 2x, right? What is the derivative of x square plus 3? That is also 2x. So the derivative of this function, derivative of this function, derivative of this function, all these functions are different, but the derivative is same in all these cases. But if we take the integration of 2x, what is the integration? That is x square plus c. It means that this c basically explains that here is 0 is equals to c, here is 1, that is c, here is 3, that is c. So in derivatives, we have not understand the value of x square if we are dealing with x square plus 100. Also the derivative of this function is 2x. So it means that this part is missing in the derivative. So to prevent this missing part, we have to use this c into this integration. Do you understand the meaning of c into this integration?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now you have to do this example too, and then I'll give you some questions from the exercise, and you have to do these questions also. And these
Okay.
questions are question number 1, part I, and question number 2, part D, and question number 3, part G, and question number 4, part C, right? These are the circle questions which you have to do after doing this example. Okay, do first of all this example quickly.
Okay.